Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Goodman Furnace Control Board is probably one of the most important components in your heating system, responsible for regulating the entire heating process from ignition to temperature control. In this video, we will deep dive into the functionalities, features, and considerations for selecting the right Goodman Furnace Control Board for your specific needs, ensuring optimal performance and longevity of your heating system. Number 5. ICM Controls ICM 280 Furnace Control. Tired of your old furnace control board? The ICM 280 is a cost-effective replacement that's easy to install and use. It's compatible with many popular brands. It's designed to work with Goodman, Janitor, TI, White Rogers, and UTC furnaces. This makes it a versatile choice for various systems. This microprocessor-based control board offers precise temperature regulation for optimal heating efficiency. Say goodbye to temperature fluctuations. It features diagnostic fault codes displayed via a blinking LED. This makes identifying and fixing problems a breeze. It's a simple, direct replacement for your old board. Get your furnace running smoothly again in no time. This unit is also twinning compatible with another ICM 280 for even more control options. Expand your system capabilities. What we like. It's a budget-friendly option that works with various furnace brands. Its ease of troubleshooting saves you time and potential repair costs. If you're on a tight budget and need a reliable replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. ICM controls are made in the USA and their manufacturing facility is modern with good quality control. This is a fine replacement for AB 18099-10. While it's not the exact same board, it works perfectly, and the directions are thorough. Install wasn't too complicated. Just follow instructions and have some basic tools. The gas valve wasn't getting the 24V to open up. Put this new board in and it's working flawlessly. Number 4. Goodman PCBBF 132S Ignition Board. This is the Goodman PCBBF 132S Ignition Control Board, a reliable and efficient solution for your heating system. It's designed for seamless integration and easy installation. It's a genuine Goodman, Amana, and Janitrol part, ensuring superior performance and longevity. You can trust it to keep your system running smoothly. This ignition control board is compatible with a wide range of models, including those using PCBBF 122, PCBBF 122S, PCBBF 109, and PCBBF 109S. It works with all 24 VAC thermostats. Troubleshooting is a breeze thanks to its integrated diagnostic LEDs. They provide clear visual feedback, making repairs quick and easy. Its compact size, 1x6x4, makes it easy to install. It's designed for a straightforward replacement of your old board. It's built to last, providing reliable ignition control for years to come. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your heating system is in good hands. What we like. This is a genuine OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. The two-stage ignition system provides efficient and safe operation. If you need a reliable, high-quality replacement for your Goodman furnace, this is the one to choose. What people say. This new board worked perfectly immediately upon installation. It is laid out differently and is a different color than the original. Old is yellow, this one is green, but all the connections are marked the same as the original. This took about 15 minutes to install. The install was very easy, just take a photo with your phone of how the wires connect and also mark them with tape before you disconnect the old board. It installs as a direct fit, although the orientation of some of the connections are a bit different. The wires are plenty long. Fixed our issue, easy to do and saved us over $300 in parts and labor. Lives up to what it advertises, an upgrade to my PCBBF 109 two-stage control board. Came a week earlier than expected. I have no experience in furnace repair, but got this baby installed in under 20 minutes, thanks to the spade terminals and consistent labeling between the boards. The new card works great, no issues since installing it 2 weeks ago. Number 3. Goodman PCBBF 112S Board. This is a genuine Goodman Amana control board, made to the manufacturer's exact specifications. It's built for reliability and precise operation in your system. It expertly manages your gas valve, draft motor, blower, and igniter. This ensures your appliance runs efficiently and safely. This board constantly monitors system pressure and limit switches, providing critical safety features and diagnostics. With its microprocessor, it offers precise control and a status LED for easy testing and troubleshooting. It simplifies maintenance and repair. It's compatible with a wide range of models, replacing several older parts. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits your needs. Choose this board for a reliable repair. It's designed to restore your appliance to peak performance. What we like. It's a genuine OEM part, guaranteeing compatibility and performance. It controls multiple furnace components for seamless operation. If you value quality and want a part that works flawlessly, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Installation was easy. All of the connections were in the same place as the old board. Now, my furnace runs without issues. Replacement was super easy if you are the slightest bit handy, since it's just a matter of unplugging one wire at a time and putting it in the same spot on the new board. Only took about 15 minutes. Turned electricity back onto furnace, it fired right up and has been working great ever since. Number 2. Goodman PCBBF132 Replacement Board. This is the replacement control circuit board for your Goodman furnace. It's been upgraded for improved performance and reliability. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a seamless fit and function. No more compatibility issues. Experience improved heating efficiency and a more stable system. Say goodbye to frustrating breakdowns. It's designed for straightforward installation. You can get your furnace back up and running quickly. This board is built to last, providing long-term reliable operation for your furnace. Enjoy peace of mind with this quality replacement. Bring your Goodman furnace back to peak performance. It's the perfect solution for a malfunctioning control board. What we like. It offers improved reliability and performance compared to the original part. This ensures your furnace runs smoothly and efficiently. If you're looking for an upgrade that enhances your furnace's performance, this is a great option. What people say. LED was not coming on with the old board, furnace was dead. I used this to replace a dead PCBBF109, and the furnace fired right up. The new control board seemed to have eliminated the problem. Almost all internal parts are new. After I replaced the controller board, the furnace fired right up as normal. It saved me to call tech to come my house. Number 1. Amana Goodman Furnace Control Board 50A55-743. This control board is a direct replacement for several Amana and Goodman furnace models. It ensures safe and efficient operation of your heating system. It's compatible with a wide range of models, including 0130F00005, B1809926, PCBBF112S, and more. Check the full list to see if it fits your furnace. This board features automatic gas ignition, continuously monitoring for system issues. It's designed for safety and reliability. It constantly monitors and analyzes potential problems. This proactive approach helps prevent costly repairs and ensures consistent heating. In case of a fault, it quickly shuts off the gas flow and automatically attempts to reignite after the problem is resolved. This provides peace of mind. Replace your old control board with this reliable and efficient upgrade. Enjoy worry-free heating this winter. What we like. It boasts automatic gas interruption for safety and wide compatibility with various models. Its continuous monitoring ensures quick responses to system issues. If safety and reliable operation are your top priorities, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Item was as described and definitely fixed my issue. Perfect fit. Easy to install. Bought this as a replacement for PCBBF123, and even though it looked slightly different, it was a direct replacement of the unit. All cables were 1-for-1 replacements with the same naming convention. Works exactly as expected. Works just like in an OEM board. Easy to replace. Make sure you have the right board part number and 5 to 10 minutes later. All set. Saved hundreds on the HVAC guy replacement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.